Okay, so part two. Part two, you'll notice all the problems that you just finished doing all had less thans. And so they were all ands or intersections or the sandwich problems. So now we're going to work on greater thans. So let's take a look at this. The absolute value of x is greater than 3. What does that mean? So it means that the distance x is from 0 is more than 3. So it means the distance x is from 0 is more than 3 units. So let's take a look at this picture. Here is 0, and here is 3. If we are more than 3 units away from 0, we can't be at 3, so open dot. Can we be at 3.1? Sure. How about 3.01 or 3.001? So we can be really close, but not quite to 3. So it's everything from here on. Now remember, we're talking about distance, so we can also be 3 units away on this side, on the negative side. We can't actually equal 3, or rather negative 3, so open dot there. But we can go all the way down here. We're still more than 3 units away from 0. So this should look familiar from your homework also. This is x is less than negative 3 or x is greater than 3. Okay, so let's do an example. Let's solve and graph the absolute value of x plus 4 is greater than 6. So that means that our absolute value is going to be a distance of 6 away from 0, either to the right or to the left. So we can say that the absolute, rather, x plus 4 is greater than 6, or we can say that x plus 4 is less than negative 6. So here's the right side, here is the left side. And so we can solve, we'll put a little or in between. We can solve each of these separately. So minus 4, x is less than negative 10. Minus 4, x is greater than 2. So x will be less than negative 10 or x will be greater than 2. Let's draw it. Negative 10 is down here. 2 is up here. Now is it inclusive? Can we be equal to? Nope. So we have to do open dots. And x is less than negative 10, so we're going this way. And x is greater than 2, so we're going this way. Okay, and then I'm going to show you one more. Let's look at this guy, solve and graph the absolute value of x plus 7 is greater than negative 3. Okay, remember the last time we had a negative, that was a special case. So again, we have a negative this time. Let's think about this. When is the distance that x plus 7 is from 0 going to be greater than a negative? When is a distance greater than a negative? Always. Distances are always positive. So the answer to this one is all reals, because the distance is always positive. Okay, so if you have a greater than negative, you have all reals. But remember from prior, if you have a less than negative, you have no solution. So it's good to be aware of, do you have greater than or less than with your absolute value? Okay, it's 8 o'clock according to my clock, so I'm going to sign off here. I would like you to work on page 592. You're going to work on the other problems. So 3, 5, 9, 17, 23, 25, and 27 and 29. Okay, so work on those. Check the answers in the back as you go. Help each other out. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday, and we will review all of the chapter 13 sections that we've done in preparation for your test next Thursday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.